What's going on, guys? This is Optimus Rhyme here. It is 21:48 on the 25th of March, this Friday, and I'm due you guys a commentary. Sorry, I'm going to apologise in advance because I've took a few days, maybe longer than a few days, to upload some shit for you guys, but I've got a legitimate reason, and that is because I broke my Turtle Beach PX21s. So I had no way of recording my voice, which I'm not sure any of you guys would have wanted kind of just a gameplay video with no commentary, but I have a headset now. I bought myself Triton AX180s. They're pretty good, although I don't know what I've done that I can't record my voice with them either. So right now I'm using my brother's Turtle Beaches. I know what you're thinking. You could have used them to record for a video. I never thought of that, guys. I'm stupid. But yeah, so Homefront gameplay for you guys if you haven't played it. It came out a week on Tuesday ago, just there in the UK. No, in America, sorry, and came out a week yesterday. No, a week today. Back the way. It came out a week ago, that's what I mean to say. But yeah, this is my first kind of thoughts on Homefront. I've not really played it that much because for one reason, and that's because the servers have been shit, and I can't be get any games with anyone, so I've been playing on my own. And I don't know about any of you guys, but I don't really like kind of playing FPSs on my own. I think the whole point of it is like it's a team game, they're team games, so why not play with guys you actually know? But no negativity, I don't deal with negativity. If you guys are thinking, I recognise that gun, that's probably because you do. It is the ACR Homefront style with some nerd camo. I think it's called something like digital, and it says in the little description, show off your nerd pride. So yeah, I'm showing off my nerd pride. But this game mode's called Battle Commander. It's a team death Battle Commander, which it's just like regular team death on any game, except it's got a little twist to it. I think it's if you kill 3 people you gain a star of notoriety, or you're like a 1-star threat, and it's like Assassin's Creed Brotherhood Online. For any guys who haven't played that, the more people that you kill, the more people that are actually hunting you down. So on the map right now I've got 2, I'm a 2-star threat, so I believe 4 or 5 of the enemy will know where I am. I'll be marked on the radar, and then other ones won't know where I am. But the more stars you get up, the more notoriety you get. So it's kind of hard, but I totally agree with what Only Use Me Blade said when I watched one of his commentaries, and he said it's extremely beneficial in this game to take up an area. Couldn't agree with him more. I know you think it's kind of camping, but this game is very, very, very difficult to run and gun in. Believe me, I think the highest I've had was a double spray, and that was sheer fluke. It's pretty difficult. I mean, I'm not like sitting in a corner camping, I'm playing conservatively. That's what I'm going to call it. Patrolling an area. As a wise man named HP Ponsauce once said. Yeah, that was some bad shooting, guys. So this is where I got to work on these mofos. 3-star threat. Understand, hooah. You get an achievement for getting 3 stars, but I'm a badass and I already got it. I just don't have the achievement of 75 Jesus to get 5-star notoriety. That is going to be one tough cookie to crack. But yeah, Homefront, it's pretty good. I do recommend it when you actually get in a game, but as far as like getting in a game and that is going on, I know there was kind of updates for it and that, but I went back on and I noticed nothing. But this gameplay is not hugely long. I didn't manage to record the whole game because I thought I was playing Black Ops for some reason, and there's not a theatre mode in Homefront, so I couldn't just go, oh guys, I'm just going to save my gameplay. Oh wait, no the fuck I'm not. So this gameplay is kind of wrapping up for you guys. Get shot in the back, and that's the end of my massacre spree. And here's a little bonus clip I got for you guys. It's nothing special. This is in the same game after I died. I was like, what the fuck is going on? But guys, this has been Optimus Rhyme. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see y'all later.